Hello, my name is Ben Bond with Keller Williams Realty, and today we're going to talk about the importance of professional photography and also getting your home ready for the photographer. "98% of all buyers' impressions start with the photos online when they're searching for a home. That's why good photography is so important. One of the biggest mistakes I've seen is where new agents and also agents that have been in the industry 25 plus years have listed a home with no photos. When a buyer is looking for a home, they're interested in seeing what's going to be their next home. When they don't see any photos on that listing, they're going to go to the next property and your home is not going to be seen. So it's very important to use a professional agent who's going to use professional photography. At that, even bad photos are a disservice to the seller. When you're using a phone with bad lighting, or you see a picture that might have part of your finger in it, which I've seen several times and it's kind of comical. Not for a seller though. You want to get your home sold, and to do that you've got to get the buyers into your home. That's why it's so important to be prepared for the photos also. Let's start with the outside. First, let's make sure that your cars are either in the garage or down the street. If you've got trash cans, make sure they're in the garage. If you have pets, make sure that you've cleaned up in the yard. Remove their toys and any possible waste. Mow the yard. Inside the home, it's important to depersonalize. When the buyer comes into your home, they want to see if their family fits in that home. Your family structure probably looks different than their family structure. Remove calendars or photos that are on the refrigerator. At the kitchen sink, remove any dishes that may be in the sink. Clean them or put them in the dishwasher. Clean the countertops off. Even if there's soap by the sink too, go ahead and put that underneath the sink. In the bedrooms, you want to make sure that the bed's tidy and made. All carpet in the house, vacuum it. All hardwood or hard surface floors, make sure that it's swept and mopped. In the shower, go ahead and put shampoos and conditioners underneath the sink so it's clean. Remove any scales. Make sure that the toilet seat is down. Make sure it's clean too. Also in the bedrooms, you want to make sure that the ceiling fans are cleaned. Clean any furniture, electronics, the blinds. The electronic cords, you want to tuck those back behind the furniture so that they're not seen. It just looks a lot more professional. Another thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you turn on all your lights. The buyers are going to come through and they're going to want to see inside the rooms, the bathrooms, and so forth. If you have any burnt out light bulbs, go ahead and replace those before you have your photos taken. Another thing is, the photographer is not going to take photos inside of closets or inside the garage. If you are not renting a storage unit, the garage is a good place to put your items. I recommend that you put them in a box though, so that it's still tidy and they can see them putting their car in the garage or their personal items in the garage. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Ben Bond with Keller Williams Realty.